Okay, so for this question, basically, we are asked to sketch the graph of 5, y equals to 5, 3 power x. Okay, so we know that 3 power x basically is going to go upwards, right? Okay, so 5, just remember when we sketch the graph, do take note that, okay, don't be like me, I'm using freehand, but you should be using a ruler. Okay, so this will climb very fast, all the way up. Oh, this is how y 5 multiplied to 3 power x looks like. Okay, and remember when you draw the graph, do remember also to draw the asymptotes, which is y equals to 0. So asymptote is basically the line where the curve is tending towards as x goes to negative infinity or positive infinity. Also write down the intercepts. So when x equals to 0, I think your y should be equals to 5 now. So this is equals to 5. Okay. Then after which this is done. So we are done with part 1. On the same axis, oh, I forgot to put on origin also. Okay. Sketch the graph of y equals to 3 minus 2x. So I mean, I hope you're okay with doing this by now. I mean, if you're not sure how to look at this graph, I mean, if you think about y equals to mx plus c, negative 2x plus 3, it's trying to tell you that, this is basically the gradient, right? So if the gradient is negative, you know that it's downward sloping, right? From GH2, and this is basically the y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept. Okay, so you should sort of know that it basically is a downward sloping line, and it cuts the y-axis at 3. Okay, if you are very uncomfortable with sketching a line, which I know some of you are a bit rusty now with sketching a line, so very simple, just plot 2 points. So if you just look at y equals to 3 minus 2x, right? What I tell students is, you just find 2 points, let x equals to 0. If you sub x equals 0, you'll get y equals to 3. That's the y-intercept. Next one, you can sub y equals to 0. If you sub y equals to 0, I think your x will be equals to 3 over 2. Okay, then what you do are very simple. You just plot these 2 points. X equals to 0, y equals to 3. That's 1 point here. Okay, y equals to 0, x equals to 3 over 2. That's another point here. Okay, so this is like 3 over 2 common 0. These 2 points will lie on your line. After that, you just draw a line past these 2 points. Right, so these 2 points can allow you straight away to sketch your y equals to 3 minus 2x. Okay, that's a very, very small trick. So just plot 2 points. Sub x equals 0, sub y equals 0, find 2 points. Take the 2 points, draw a line past the 2 points, then you sketch your line already. Okay? Okay, so of course, the knowledge that you must also know is that, well, negative 2 is a gradient, so it's downward sloping. 3 is the y-intercept, so it means it cuts the y-axis at 3. Okay, so that's your part 2. At the same axis, you're supposed to state the number of solution. The number of solution means that we have this equation here, 5 3 power x, 3 minus x. So it's like asking you, if I draw y equals to 5 3 power x on one graph, and y equals to 3 minus 2x, what will the number of solution be? The number of solution, as we know, is like a graphical solution. It's basically the number of intersection. All right. So the number of intersection is the number of solution. So over here, if you see, right, there's only one intersection. It means that there's only one solution. You can see it's just a word state. Okay, so part 3, there's only one solution because there's only one intersection here. Okay.